Brahmins are strict vegetarians, eating no animal flesh and even avoiding eggs. A local family prepared a meal for myself and Shashank. It was one of the spiciest things I've ever put in my mouth. India food is definitely not boring. Every mouthful of food will always surprise your taste buds with an explosion of flavor.
First we prepare dough for the churma, deep fry in deshi ghee.
This is very traditional family and like generation to generation they are living here, and we are standing in the temple. That temple itself is 750 years old. They are called Brahmins, the higher class in Hindu society. And in Brahmin, they do not make anything which is associated with the meat. So in traditional meal, they use the healthy food without onion and garlic, and also time to time, according to the weather or climate, the spices change. Because in winter time we need to take our body hot from inside, so we use different masalas, different spices, and in summer we use different spices to make our body cool from inside. Today they are going to prepare the traditional meal which is called dal, pulses, chawal, rice, and vegetables, ladyfinger and the pointed gourd with various masalas. In Hindu family the food is ready. Without consuming, they first give it to the god. So the god accept the food, and they believe the blessing of the god comes from the food, and people will feel happy and satisfied. Practically, everything is a gift given to us by the God. But it's our turn now, so whatever we make, we offer it to God.